California rolls are made by rolling sushi rice on the outside of the seaweed. I chose to make 3 types: Japanese omelette, Tamagoyaki with fried shallot, avocado with fish eggs, the dragon sushi made with salmon and avocado. Here are the ingredients for 30 sushi rolls. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Use 300 grams of chalk grain rice. Wash it 3 times. Let it soak for 30 minutes. Then cook it with 35 centiliters of water. Meanwhile, mince a shallot. Put 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. When it's hot, put the shallot. Stir from time to time. When the shallot begins to take color, turn on low heat and continuously stir. When it's golden like this, drain it. Now, prepare the Japanese omelette, Tamagoyaki, in a bowl. Put 1 teaspoon of dashi powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Combine. In a bowl, break 3 eggs. Beat them. Add the sauces. Vigorously beat until there isn't any block of egg white. For the Japanese omelette cooking technique, I invite you to watch my video. Cut it in 3 in its length. Remove the skin from the salmon. Cut it into sticks. Cover them and keep them in the fridge. Cut 1 avocado into sticks. Prepare the vinegar for sushi. Mix 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 15 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of salt. In a mixing bowl, put the cooked rice, the sushi vinegar, cut the seaweed sheets in half. Put tomato in a plastic bag to prevent the rice from sticking to it. Also cover the cutting board with cling film. To roll, I need tomato, a white cloth, and a bowl of water. To make the avocado and fish eggs rolls, put a sheet of nori on the mat. Before taking the rice, wet your hand. Form a ball. Spread it over the surface of the sheet. Put a thin layer of rice. Too big, it would make your rolls difficult to eat. Turn the seaweed sheets over with the rice. Put some mayonnaise and the avocado. To roll, lift the back of the mat. At the same time, hold the avocado pieces and keep them in. Leaving a small margin of rice and seaweed, roll so that the joint ends at the bottom against the board. Press to make the roll firm. Also pull on the lower part of the mat with one hand, while preventing it from moving with the other one. Press a little again. Use a sharp knife to cut the roll into pieces. After each cut, clean it on the wet cloth. Place trout eggs on top of each sushi. To make the Japanese omelette, Tamagoyaki and fried shallot rolls, do the same thing to spread the rice on the seaweed sheet. Sprinkle with fried shallot. Turn the sheet over. Put some mayonnaise and the omelette. Load it up. Cut it. And for the salmon avocado dragon rolls, after turning over the seaweed sheet with the rice, put the mayonnaise, a little lime zest, dill, some salmon, roll it up, put mayonnaise on top of the roll so the avocado pieces stick to it. Cut half an avocado into thin slices. With your hand, spread the slices like this. Put them on the roll. Put the film on top. With the mat, lightly press on the avocado. Cut it. Then remove the film. The California rolls are ready. Bon appétit! Japanese people will tell you that you should only make one bite of each piece. This is how you can really enjoy the mix of all the tastes. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.